We would like to invite you for a special dinner. It's going to be an exclusive leadership dinner just one day before the Swissheli seminar. The date will be 13th of September. You can qualify for this dinner. We are here already and we hope you will be here too.